Hi, I am Manthan Patel and I am here to teach you how to study based on science of learning. I am a final year undergraduate student studying computer science. I am a bit of nerd when it comes to stuff like this, and I have surfaced through hundreds of different academic papers all about how to learn. My parents didn't go to school, so these are all the tips that I wish someone has taught me. And in this course, I am here to teach you that. Today, we are going to learn how to study smarter and not harder. So the course structure is divided into 3 segments. First, what makes a good study technique? Like, how can I ensure that every time I am studying, it is actually effective? I am going to introduce you to the life-changing evidence-based framework of SAAD or SAAD. Secondly, we are going to look at how do I use the most effective study techniques. We will dig into 5 of the most important study techniques, and I will teach you how to practically apply them to any work. Lastly and finally, motivation. There is no point learning how to learn if you can't even sustain your motivation to continue. Further on, we will also learn why we are not motivated after some time, what to do about it, and how to sustain our motivation over the long term. By the end of this course, you will be fully equipped with a multitudes of methods to help you in whatever you are studying at any point of your life. So if you are ready, let's do it. Grab your pen, some paper, or anything to take notes on. And I hope to see you in the first lesson.